Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me introduce this is a MacBook Pro, and you can see this is 16-inch, and you can see the chip is M4 Pro, and the memory is 24 gigabyte. I need to mask the serial number because this machine has warranty. And then you can see the display is 16-inch, and the storage is 512 gigabyte, and you can see the battery cycle count 39, and the battery capacity is 100%. This is a very beautiful machine. You can see the keyboard, and you can see the trackpad. Powerful machine, and you can see no scratches here, and no scratches. The speaker grills also no problem. No problem. Let me show you the logo surface. Okay, no problem. You can see, and no scratch here. Fingerprint. Okay, no scratch here. No scratch here. No scratch here. No problem. And here. Okay, no scratches. No scratches here. No scratches. This is a beautiful machine, and also very powerful. If you like this, you can contact me. Okay. No scratches. This machine looks like brand new. And, let me show you the other side. Okay, no problem. No problem. And let me show you the display. The 16-inch display. The wallpaper and the gray color. Okay, you can see beautiful, beautiful machine and a beautiful display. If you want to buy, you can contact me. Also, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about the MacBook. And, you can see, okay, you can see this is the M4 Pro 16-inch and 24 gigabyte, 512 gigabyte storage, and the silver color, and has the AC Plus and Apple Care. Okay, see you in the next video.